Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. In this we will see some very famous and very useful Python extensions. Okay, some very useful Python extensions that you can integrate with VS Code to make your life easier with coding. Okay, although Python itself makes the life easier with coding, I will just show you. Okay, so in the VS Code, come to the bottom option, this four squares. Okay, few of the extension that I would recommend is first is Code Runner. Okay, in the code runner you will have this kind of icon dot run, and it allows you to run programs from so many languages. Okay, just click on install, and the moment you click install it says extension is globally enabled. That's very nice. And then you have an extension called Prettier. Okay, so Prettier looks like this. Prettier is code formatter, so we will see how the code is to be formatted. Like for example, in C you had a good practice that whenever you write a for loop, you write all the statement in the braces and give some indentation to make the code look good. Prettier will help us do that automatically. So let me click install. This is also installed. One more extension I'm giving you, that is called docstring. Let me write docstring Python. Okay, so this is Python docstring generator. Okay, you can click this install button. Although this may not be useful as of now, probably in next 5 or 6 lecture I will make use of it. But as I told you, I am giving you all the extension then and there. Okay, so let me now erase this. In the extension you can come here and just select the installed ones. Okay, click on this filter button and you can have now Python I showed in the last lecture. Prettier is for code formatter, code runner, and docstring generator. Now let us come to the file hello.py. Okay, so now do you remember how do we execute this? We just select this option, run Python file in terminal. As you can see, there are no shortcuts here. Like for copy you write Control C here, but for running file you have no option. You have to always come and click here, right? So this is quite a tedious process. Now with the code runner extension, that is this extension, life becomes very easy. When you right click here, you can see the first option itself is run code. So you don't have to scroll so long. And there is a shortcut here, Control Alt N, right? So once I return the code, so let me just write a code and I say, wow, code runner. I do Control S. Remember, saving is important before running the file. And let me run by two methods. First, I will right click and select this option, code runner, right? So as you can see, it executes Python -u and it takes our file and executes everything. Or let me write another line. So A for apple. I am just doing Control S and pressing Control Alt N on my keyboard, and you get the output here. I prefer to use shortcuts because it helps us save a lot of time. Like, how many of you actually go to the edit menu and select copy? You are experts, right? Control C, Control V, Control X, and you know how fast it goes, right? So this lecture was about extensions. Just let me check Python, docstring, lint, and this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.